Hello students, good morning. Yesterday I had given exercise 1.1. Today I am solving all the questions of exercise 1.1. Coming to the question number 1. Question number 1, a number line was given on that number line the different temperatures of different cities like Bengaluru, Uti, Simla, Srinagar and Lahore Spiti. Their temperatures were given and some questions was given. 1A was saying you have to write the different temperatures of these cities. See here, like the temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius, Uti 14 degrees Celsius, Srinagar 2 degrees Celsius, Lahore Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius. Sorry, here Srinagar the temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Coming to part B, 1B, it is saying you have to find the difference of the temperature of the hottest and coldest place. See here, the temperature of hottest place means the Bangalore. It has 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest place, that is Lahore Spiti, its temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find the difference. So the hottest temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So I write here 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in bracket I write minus 8 degree Celsius. Now 22, see here, before this bracket there is negative sign, so it means minus minus becomes plus, so minus minus becomes plus, so 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Now coming to question number 2. Question number 2 is saying Jack has scored some marks. His marks is given here. See, this positive marks shows that he has given the correct answers, and these negative marks have been given for incorrect answers. So, and we have to find his total score, his total marks. So what we'll do, we have to just add all these marks. Now, so I write here total marks 25 plus, we will write this minus 5 in bracket, minus 5 again plus minus 10 plus 15 and plus 10. By the rule of BODMAS, we first do the operation of bracket. See here, 25, before this bracket there is plus sign, so plus minus makes minus, minus 5, again here plus minus makes minus, so minus 10 plus 15 and plus 10. Okay, now see here again by the rule of BODMAS, first we do addition then subtraction. So we will add all those numbers which have positive sign. Before this number there is no sign, it means it has positive sign, so I write here positive. Now see here, 25, this has positive sign, so 25 plus 15, 40 plus 10, 50. So I write here 50 minus 5 minus 10. Now do one by one. 50 minus 5 is equal to 45 minus 10. Now 45 minus 10 is equal to 35. Now coming to question number 3. Third is saying in Srinagar the temperature on Monday was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature on Monday was minus 5 degrees Celsius. But on next day, Tuesday, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature dropped means decrease. So on temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. So on Tuesday temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius, and again on the next day, Wednesday, the temperature rise by 4 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on the temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius, it means it has increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So what we'll do? we will add 4 degrees Celsius is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, so minus 7 plus 4 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 7. See here, this 7 has negative sign and it is greater than 4. Okay, so we will subtract 7 minus 4, 3, and since it has more negative sign, so the sign will continue minus. Okay, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now coming to question number 4. Question number 4 is saying a plane was flying above the sea level, okay, and its height was 5,000 meter. The plane was flying above 5,000 meter, and at the same time, a submarine was floating in the sea, and its distance from the sea level down to the submarine is 1200 meter. Okay, we have to find the vertical distance between them. Means what is the distance between the submarine and the uh, plane. Okay, so what we'll do, we will add these two numbers. So the vertical distance between these two is equal to 5,000 plus 1200 meter is equal to 6,200 meter. Okay, now coming to question number 5. Mohan deposited 2,000 rupees in his bank account. Okay, and on the next day, for some reason, he withdraw the money 1,642. The question is asking first the if the money deposited in the account is represented by positive sign, then if the money withdrawn will be represented by negative sign, because I am withdrawing, it means I am deducting, the money is being deducted from the bank account. Okay, now the balance left after withdrawing 1,642 rupees, the money left will be 2,000 minus 1,642. On subtracting, we get 358 rupees. Okay, now say here, coming to question number 6. Rita goes, this is the number line given here. Rita goes from point A to point B in the east direction, and she travels approx to 20 kilometers. From point A, this point A, she goes to point B, and the distance between A and B is 20 kilometers. And again, after reaching here, she moves back, okay, to the west direction. She moves back in the west direction and she moves 30 kilometers. So from point B to A, its distance is 20 kilometers. And again, okay, now coming to the question. From point B, she moves back to west direction and she travels 30 kilometers. So from point B to point A, its distance is 20 kilometers. And since she has traveled 30 kilometers, so we will add 10 more. So let's it is at C point. Okay, now the distance between is 10 kilometers. Now see here, this is the origin point of Rita, and I have already told that to the positives, to the right of origin, okay, the signs are positive signs. So the signs to the left of origin will be negative signs. Okay, so final point is equal to minus 10 kilometer. See, your distance is never written in minus sign, okay, negative, but I have written this negative sign to show that it has moves back to the left direction. 7. In question number 7, two magic boxes are given here. The question is saying we have to find which one is magic box, okay, and which is not a magic box. The condition is that if we add either in row wise or in column wise or row wise, okay, after adding row wise or column wise, the addition should be same. Suppose let's add this column, okay, 5 plus 5 plus 0. See here, this 5 has positive sign, this has negative sign. So plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now see here, minus 1 minus 2 both has negative sign, so we will add, but its sign will be negative. So minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, and minus 3 plus 3. It becomes 0. Now minus 4 plus 7. Okay. 7 minus 4, 3 plus 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So after adding this column, we are getting that its sum is 0. Now coming to row wise. Okay. 5 minus 1. It is 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 5 minus 2. Both have negative signs. So minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. Now 0 plus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So here we see that after adding all along the row wise or column wise, we are getting always 0. Now this part I am leaving for you. Add these columns, these columns, these columns, and this row, this row, this row, and see what is their sum. If this sum is not equal, okay, it means it is not a magic box, and we have already seen that it is a magic box. Now coming to question number 8. Question number 8 is saying we have to verify a minus bracket minus b is equal to a plus b. The values of a and b are given here in 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have taken 8, 1. Okay. The value of a is given 21 and the value of b is given 18. We have to verify this whether it is right or wrong. Okay. Let this quantity be LHS. LHS means left hand side. Okay. Since it is to the left of equal, so we call it left hand side. And since it is in right of equal, so we call it right hand side. Okay. See here. I have taken left hand side. Left hand side is a minus bracket minus b. Now we will put the value of a and b. Value of a is 21 minus bracket. Value of b is 18. So minus 18. Okay. Now see here. Before this bracket it has negative sign. And this negative and this negative. Negative negative becomes positive. So I write here 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Okay. Now coming to right hand side. Right hand side means this part a plus b. Again we will put the values of a and b. Value of a is 21. So I write here 21. And the value of b is 18 plus 18. So 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. That both LHS and RHS are equal. It means this it holds true. It means it is true. Okay. Coming to question number 9. 9 is saying we have to find which is greater, which is smaller, and if the both values are equal, then we have to put sign of equal. If this is greater, then we will put this greater sign. If this is greater, then we will put this greater sign. If both are equal, we will put equal sign. Now we will find one by one their values. Coming to this part, okay, we have to find the value of this given here. See here. Minus 8 is given in bracket. Before this bracket there is positive sign. Okay, so I write here plus. Plus minus becomes minus. So minus 8. Now here too plus minus becomes minus. Minus 4. See here both are in negative signs. So what we do? We add 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and the sign remains of negative. So minus 12. Its value is minus 12. Now coming to this part. Okay. Again here plus minus becomes minus. So minus 8. Now see here minus minus becomes plus. So plus 4. See here 4 minus 8 plus 4. It becomes minus 4. Now see which one is greater, minus 12 or minus 4. See here, I have already explained that when we move from the origin point to the left, okay, the values becomes decreasing. Okay, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 5 is less than minus 4. Okay, similarly here minus 12 and minus 4. Okay, this is more negative. It means this is less than this minus 4. So I write here minus 4 is greater than minus 12. So I write this symbol here greater than. Now coming to question number 10. Question number 10 is saying there is a monkey who is going to drink water, okay? But the water is at the ninth level. There are 9 steps and he is sitting on the first step. But while he is going to the ninth step, he is doing some activity. Okay, see here. When he is going to 3 steps down, okay? First he is sitting at first step, then he moves to second, then third. But what he do? He comes back 2 steps back. Okay, see here. Since the monkey is sitting at the first step and he is going 3 steps down, so from first one step, 2 step, and 3 step. Okay, in the first jump he is going to the fourth step, but after going to the fourth step he is taking back 2 steps up. Okay, so 4 minus 2 in second jump. Okay, in the first jump, see here, again I'm explaining. In the first jump he is going from 1 to 4, fourth step, but again he is taking turn and coming to the second step in second jump. Okay, so again he is at second step, so again from second he will take jump and 3 steps down, so from 2 to he will go 5. Okay, in third jump, and again at going to fifth step he is taking 2 steps up. Okay, so he is taking 2 steps up and coming here at number third stage, and this is his fourth jump. Okay, now again he will take jump from third and he will reach to 6 in fifth jump. Okay, and again in the next jump, in the sixth jump, he will take back and will reach to fourth step in the sixth jump. Okay, and again from fourth he will go to seventh step, and again from 7 he will take 2 steps back and reach at fifth step. See here, 6, 7 jump and 8 jump. Okay, again from 5 he will take jump and will reach to at 9. So this is his ninth jump. Okay, and again from 8 step he will take 2 step back, so he will reach to at number 6 in 10th jump, and again from 6 he will reach to 9th step in 11th jump. So to reach at the 9th step he is taking 9 jumps. Okay, now the question number 2 is saying 10 2. Okay, when he has drunk the water and he is coming back to the first step. Okay, but while coming back he is taking 4 steps up. 4 सीढ़ी वो ऊपर चढ़ रहा है, फिर वो 3 सीढ़ी नीचे जा रहा है, सॉरी दो स्टेप नीचे जा रहा है. ओके, so again from 9 we will start our the monkey starts his jumping. Okay, 4 steps up means from 9 he will reach to 5th. Okay, first step, second step, third step, fourth step. So he is taking 4 steps up and reaching at 5th step. But again he is taking 2 steps down. So from 5 he will reach to 7. This was his first jump. This was his second jump. Okay. Now again from 7 it will go to third step. From 7th step he will go to third step. Okay. It is his third jump. Okay. But in the next jump he is taking 2 steps down. So from third he will reach to 5 in fourth jump. Okay, and again from 5 he will take 4 steps up and he will reach at the first step in 5th jump. So while coming back he is taking 5 jumps to reach at the first step. Now coming to the third part of question number 10. Third part is saying there are 2 questions, A and B. We have to add, after adding how many times -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 we get -8. See here, -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 and so on. After adding how many times we get -8. This part I am leaving for you. You have to find in how many times after adding minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 we get minus 8. Similarly here 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 after adding how many times 4 minus 2 4 plus 4 minus 2 we get 8. And one more thing, this minus sign shows that it has come down, and this positive sign it has this 8 shows that it has come up, it has moved up. Okay, thank you.